Got a confession to make. It's only been 2 weeks since my last bowl of ice cream. Let's do this. Got my bowl, got my spoon, 1 scoop, 2 scoops, 3 scoops of ice cream. That should be enough. I'm gonna mix it up a little bit today. Let's start out with some maple pecan granola. Some of that in there. Found this fruit salad popcorn today at the store. A little bit. Leftover cashews, I think they are, from Culver's that my daughter got. They were in the freezer. And go ahead and throw a chocolate chip cookie in here. Break that up. Just realized that I had 2 things of chocolate in my fridge. I'm gonna use the emptier one, try to use that one up. There we go. Peanut butter cream pie in there. Local Walmart has these. Break that up. Yummy. Got some Heath crumbles. Look at that goodness. Butterfinger crumbles. Yum. Well, look what I found. Some Twinkies. So good. Throw that in there. Leftover peanut butter Girl Scout cookies. We'll throw 2 of those in there. I don't know how old these are, but they should taste good still. Oreos. Cinnamon toasters. Can't forget our goobers from the parking lot. A little more chocolate. Cherry for the top. Have you ever had ice cream cake on your ice cream? Did today. A little bit more chocolate. And then we're gonna go with some milk today. Perfect. You cannot beat that dessert right there. Forgot the whipped cream. Oh, no, that's sour cream. Don't want that on there. This here, heaven. Good stuff.